How to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router. So if you want to change your Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Go with the search, and under search you need to search for 192.168.0.1 and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you'll be able to have an interface which will be your admin panel. So it will take you to the login page of the router admin panel using its default. So you just need to simply enter the IP address, which is 192.168.0.1, and you need to enter the default username and password, or you can also enter the admin in most cases. And then you need to go with wireless option. Under wireless, you need to go with wireless security and then choose the VPA/VPA2 personal recommended and go with password, and you need to enter your preferred password and save the change. And in this way, you'll be able to change the Wi-Fi password on your TP-Link router. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.